Today, I will be planting rose from cuttings. I will be experimenting these two cuttings, whichever sprouts first. You will see the result at the end of the video. As you can see, the only difference is the leaves. I conducted this since I read that cuttings without leaves have better chance of surviving. So I made a variation. This is not accurate, but I do it anyway for fun and experiment. These cuttings were taken from the same plant and the same stem as well. So let's get started by removing some of the lower leaves of these cuttings. Next, I will be removing the lower skin of the cutting. Doing this will enable the growth of the roots easier. Be careful not to damage the inside of the skin. I will be doing the same for this cutting. I will put these cuttings inside this cup with water for 30 minutes. This will enable the cuttings to absorb water before planting. I have prepared ahead of time my potting mix. The mix is composed of 50% compost and 50% coco peat. Compost will give nutrients as the root starts to show, giving it more chance to survive. While coco peat will hold moisture for longer time, that will help fasten the propagation. Add a little water for moisture and let's wait for the result. I will be putting them in a shadow place and water them when necessary. They will be treated equally. After 36 days, here is the result. The one with leaves thrives while the other kinda rotted. Since planting, I haven't seen any progress with the cuttings, so I could say it's a fail for this one. We can conclude that planting cuttings with or without leaves doesn't matter. Hope you like this little experiment and hope you subscribe for more videos.